Scroll number 11 is the most important scroll in the fact that it talks about the creation of this earth. It begins with the Four Nagual Fathers who came here with the seeds of awareness. They were discovered recently in the pyramid of Teotihuacan, Mexico. Those four effigies represent the creators of this planet. They brought with them the mold of man, which they dropped from their flying disc to the surface of the planet, with the activated seeds of awareness placed at the solar plexus, the decision point, and the death passage of the anus, which activated the first male and female who carried those seeds of awareness to the next and future lineages of magicians. 4 males and 4 female warriors carrying those seeds designed the pyramid of Teotihuacan in Mesoamerica. They placed in the corridor underneath the pyramid the effigies, the carvings of the Four Nagual Fathers, with the seeds and the seed crusher all representing the creation of the human on this planet. The Four Nagual Fathers were found recently arranged in their 4-directional location, staring at the tube of energy, of orgone energy, that links the upper worlds and the lower worlds together. It is a portal to be traveled within by the awakened human who understands the shadow and light of this planet. The traveling occurs through the pyramid underground to the above ground in order to reach the flying disc of the Four Nagual Fathers.